In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a 2D SVG line art into 3D. Let's import the SVG image. If you don't have that feature in the menu, please activate the SVG import add-on. I'll select everything, scale them, and join them by using the Ctrl+J shortcut. There are two ways to thicken the lines. One is by using the bevel feature like this. This is the easiest and the fastest method, but the intersecting lines don't look better than the next method. The next method can only be processed by using a skin modifier. As we can see, there's no skin modifier while using a curve object. Let's right-click the curve to convert it into mesh. The trick is to press the Tab key to go to edit mode, and press Ctrl+A to shrink the size of the skin mesh. If we press Ctrl+A while in object mode, we'll get the reset window as usual. There is one more thing that needs to be done. That is to press the Mark Root button. If we don't, then there's no way to increase the thickness of the lines. The intersecting lines look much better than the previous method. We could subdivide the mesh like this. I'll add an emission material. Please use Eevee with bloom. Shift-D to duplicate, and Z to bring it down a bit. Let's apply a new color for the same material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.